Picture this. A trading application at a major financial firm goes unresponsive, right in the middle of market hours. Every second of downtime costs millions. The root cause? Two switch optical modules that had been quietly degrading for weeks. Nobody saw it coming. Nobody acted. That is the world without predictive analytics. Let me show you the world with it. Mist Data Center Assurance covers the most common issues, such as optical modules and system health. Here's an example of optical modules. Behind this dashboard, the system is continuously analyzing many dozens of metrics, including temperature, transmit and receive throughput, voltage, forward error correction, bias current, and more. 10+ years of AI ops experience from our Mist platform and Marvis AI connects all of that telemetry data and maps it to the likelihood of component failure. Real machine learning doing the hard work invisibly. What your team sees is this: a clean, actionable chart. Vertical axis is confidence level. Horizontal axis is time. When is the failure expected? Bubble size and color is severity. Hover over any bubble and you see the blast radius. Exactly which components, workloads, and applications are at risk. These three large bubbles in the upper left: high confidence, imminent failure. Without this tool, those optical modules fail, the trading app goes down, and you are counting losses. With this tool, we help you procure spares proactively and send a technician tomorrow to swap them out before the market opens. Simple. ServiceNow ticket generated automatically. The trading app stays up, the business never feels a thing. That is the power of proactive maintenance using predictive analytics, catching failures before they impact your business.